Nakita rin po natin yan at kasama po ito sa ina-analyze ng ating mga investigador. At kagaya nga po ng sinabi ko kanina, we saw some indications na meron pong ibang grupo na pwedeng nag-udyok o nagtulak na kinakasalihan niya para po gawin niya itong bagay na ito. We will provide you with all the details po upon completing po yung ating investigation regarding.
Salamat po.
Sunod na tanong mula kay Tina Maralit, The Manila Times.
Good afternoon, sir. Sir, in light of what happened, will there be more police visibility within schools, not just in Tacloban, but around the country? And ano po ang coordination na ginagawa ng PNP with DepEd and other pertinent agencies?
Yes, ma'am. Even before Tacloban incident po, nakita niyo po dito 2 minutes nakapunta po ang ating police. Pinag-utos na po ng ating Chief PNP ang mas intensified na patrolling at pag-deploy sa ating pong mga eskwelahan, kaya po malapit yung ano doon. But the bat does not work, di po ba? Hindi talaga natin kaya po lagyan ng lahat ng schools. There are more than 40,000 public schools and around 6,000 private schools po all over the country. So that makes it around a little